Since middle school, I've spent countless hours immersed in video games, exploring vast worlds, solving puzzles, and battling enemies. But what if AI could help create these worlds for us? Enter Muse, Microsoft's latest AI revolution that could redefine gaming as we know it. Section 1. The gaming industry's evolution. The gaming industry has exploded into a multi-billion-dollar empire, surpassing even Hollywood. With gamers always hungry for new experiences, developers face immense pressure to push boundaries. But what if AI could lend a hand? Section 2. Introducing Microsoft Muse. Meet Muse, a generative AI designed to assist game designers. Created by Microsoft Research, Muse is trained on 500,000 human gameplay sessions from Bleeding Edge. This AI doesn't just generate random game elements, it creates fully playable scenarios that obey the game's physics and rules. Section 3. How Muse works. Muse learns from human gameplay without knowing the game's code. It watches how players interact, how characters move, and how physics apply. The result? It can create new game sequences that feel authentic, just like a human-designed level. Section 4. Why game developers need Muse. Game developers worldwide agree, creating fresh, engaging content is a challenge. Muse isn't here to replace designers but to inspire them. It generates ideas, enhances creativity, and accelerates the development process. Section 5. How Muse compares to other AI. Muse isn't the first AI for gaming. Google's game engine recreated Doom without original code, and AI-driven NPCs have existed for years. But what makes Muse different is its ability to generate entire game scenarios, not just elements or dialogue. Section 6. Challenges and limitations. Muse is promising, but it's not perfect. It needs massive amounts of data, which smaller studios may not have. Training an AI for years isn't feasible for everyone. So, will it remain an exclusive tool for giants like Microsoft, or will it become accessible to all? Section 7. Future applications. Muse's potential goes beyond gaming. It could help restore classic games, making them playable on modern devices. It could even be used for real-world applications like architectural design, allowing users to explore different layouts with AI-powered simulations. The future of AI in gaming. From enhancing creativity to reviving lost classics, Muse is paving the way for a new era in gaming. But how far will AI take us? Will we still be the players, or will AI create entire experiences for us? One thing is certain, the future of gaming is about to change forever. What do you think about AI-generated games? Are you excited or skeptical? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and gaming insights.